Hey, welcome to The Explainer. Today we're talking about how to completely transform your email newsletters. Let's be real, most of them are pretty boring. We're going to explore how you can create emails that people actually want to open.
Think about it. Your own inbox is probably a war zone of notifications and promotions. So the real question is, how do you make your email the one that stands out? The one that someone sees and thinks, ooh, I've got to open that.
And that really gets to the heart of it. We have to stop thinking of newsletters as just messages. They're so much more. They're a way to build a real relationship, to get people excited, and to actually grow your brand or business. So, how do you unlock all that potential? Well, it all starts with design, seriously. Good design is the difference between an email that gets deleted and one that gets results. It turns a wall of text into a genuine experience. And just so we're all on the same page, when I say design, I mean the whole shebang. It's the structure, the layout, your branded header, the images you choose, even the way the text is presented. It's the entire visual package. Okay, enough with the theory, let's get into the fun stuff. We're going to dive into a gallery of really cool design ideas, each one built for a different purpose. Time to get inspired. First up, let's talk about the moneymakers. These are the designs that are laser focused on one thing, and one thing only: driving sales and making conversions happen. Take these two, for example. A Black Friday email, it's all about big, bold visuals and a ticking clock to create that sense of urgency. You gotta act now. A Christmas email, on the other hand, it's about creating a warm, festive vibe that naturally leads you to the products. Both designs are just brilliant at pushing you to take action. But it's not always about the hard sell. Sometimes the goal is just to build a strong, loyal community. These next designs are all about creating relationships and trust. This is all about playing the long game. A great welcome email, for instance, is like a perfect first date. It makes a fantastic impression and sets the tone for everything to come. Or a wellness email. It's not selling anything, it's just giving you useful tips. It provides real value, which keeps you coming back for more. Feeling inspired? Good. Now let's get practical. How do you actually do this yourself? Well, we've boiled it all down into a simple 7-point design playbook. These are the rules you need to follow. Rule number 1, keep it clean. Please, if your email is a cluttered mess, no one's going to read it. Use plenty of white space, clear headings, and simple fonts. Make it easy on the eyes. Number 2, stay true to who you are. Your email should feel like it came from you. Use your logo, your brand colors, your fonts. That consistency is what builds recognition and, more importantly, trust. Okay, number 3, and this one is an absolute deal breaker. You have to optimize for mobile. Almost everyone is reading your email on their phone. If it looks bad on a small screen, you've already lost. The difference is night and day, and you can see it right here. A good mobile design is clean, single column, with big fonts and buttons you can actually tap with your thumb. A bad one? It's a frustrating mess of tiny text and impossible to hit links. The choice is pretty obvious, right? Number 4, use great visuals. We are visual creatures. A fantastic photo, a helpful infographic, or even just a subtle, clever GIF can grab attention way faster than a block of text. All right, number 5, you have to tell people what you want them to do next. That's your call to action, or CTA. And this is so critical. The words you use on that button matter a lot. Don't be lazy and just say, click here. Be direct, be active. Shop now. Claim your offer. Get started. It creates a sense of momentum. Number 6 is all about making sure your beautiful email doesn't, break. It has to look perfect everywhere, not just on an iPhone, but on Android and Outlook and Gmail. You have to test it. Then test it again. And finally, number 7. This one is a real game changer. Make it interactive. This is where you go from just sending a message to starting a real conversation. And that brings us to the interactivity edge. If you've nailed all the basics we just covered, this is how you take your emails from good to completely unforgettable. Just think about that for a second. What if your email wasn't just something your subscribers read? What if it was something they could actually do stuff with? right there in their inbox.
I mean, look at all these possibilities. You can embed surveys and polls, fun little quizzes, or elements that change when you hover over them. You can even have a countdown timer ticking down to a sale. This stuff isn't just cool, it invites people to participate and makes your emails so much more memorable.
So let's wrap this all up. When you put everything together, great design, solid strategy, a little bit of interactivity, your newsletter becomes exactly this, your secret weapon. It's how you captivate attention, connect with your audience, and convert them into customers or fans. And that's really the final thought we want to leave you with. You've seen the inspiration, you've got the 7-point playbook. The inbox is crowded, yes. The digital world is noisy. The only question left is, what are you going to do to stand out?